You have been waiting to feel confident, waiting until the anxiety settles, until you feel ready, until the doubt quiets down enough for you to finally take action. But here's the thing nobody told you. Confidence is not what comes before the action. It's what comes after it. Every time you have waited to feel ready before doing the thing, you have been waiting for something that only exists on the other side of doing it. This session is not about giving you a feeling. It's about giving you a direction. You don't need confidence right now. You need to take action. And these affirmations are going to replace the hesitation, one thought at a time, until taking action feels more natural than staying still. Because confidence comes from taking action. It's not a feeling you are born with or without. It's not something some people have and others don't. It's not the absence of fear or doubt or uncertainty. Confidence is evidence. It's the accumulation of every time you do the thing anyway, every time you showed up before you felt ready, every time you chose action over comfort and survived it, and then did it again. The people you watch and think they're so confident and don't seem to have any fear, they have simply done enough things afraid that the fear stopped being the excuse. You don't build confidence by thinking about it. You build it by taking action, by deciding. That is what this session is for. Not to make you feel confident before you begin, but to train your mind to move regardless of how you feel. Because the version of you that you are trying to become is not waiting for confidence either. They are already taking action. So find a comfortable position. You don't need to close your eyes for this one. This session works with eyes open or closed because it's designed for the moments before action, not just the moments in stillness. Take one slow breath in and release it. The frequency beneath my voice is supporting a state of calm alertness, the state where clear decisions are made and hesitation has no grip. Let your body settle. Let your mind arrive here. Stay aware of the affirmations and try to believe them. They're not just wishful thinking. They can replace your existing negative thoughts. I stop waiting to feel ready. Ready is built by moving. I don't need confidence to begin. I need a decision. I release the habit of waiting for certainty before I act. Hesitation is a habit. I am replacing it now. I don't need to feel calm to move forward. I just need to move. The wait is over. I choose action over comfort. I stop holding myself back. Being ready is not a feeling. It's a choice I make right now. I release my version of not yet and replace it with now. I am done postponing myself. I don't wait for fear to disappear. I act alongside it. The discomfort of beginning is temporary. The cost of never beginning is permanent. I stop overthinking. I decide and I take action. I give myself full permission to start while being imperfect. I am someone who starts, even now, even here, even like this. I am exactly where I need to be. I take action even when I feel unsure. Discomfort means that I am growing, not failing. I build confidence by showing up, not by overthinking. I don't wait to feel ready. I create readiness through action. I act on my intentions before my doubts have time to argue. I choose motion over perfection every time. The version of me that I am building is created through doing, not through waiting. I trust myself to figure it out as I go. I don't need all the answers before I take the first step. Every action I take is evidence that I am someone who acts. I replace hesitation with forward movement. I am not controlled by how I feel. I am directed by what I decide. Uncertainty does not stop me. It's simply a part of the process. I show up before I feel qualified, and I become qualified by showing up. I stop editing my actions before they happen. I move, I learn, I adjust, I move again. That is enough. Every time I act, despite fear, I build real, lasting confidence. I am becoming someone who acts, and that identity is now permanent. I look back at what I've already done, and I know I can keep going. The proof of who I am is in the actions I take, not the thoughts I have. I am not waiting for someone to believe in me. I am becoming my own evidence. Each small action compounds. I trust the accumulation. I am the kind of person who follows through. I don't need to feel brave to be brave. My action is my bravery. I am building a version of myself I can trust, one decision at a time. Confidence is already forming in me through every action I take. I don't measure my progress by how I feel. I measure it by how I take action. I am patient with the process and relentless with the action. I don't wait for the feeling, I create it, and I will keep creating. You came into this session waiting. You are leaving it ready. Not because the doubt is gone, not because you suddenly feel ready, but because somewhere in the last 10 minutes, something shifted in the way your mind is relating to action. The affirmations you just received are not going to disappear when you press stop. They're going to be here for the next time hesitation arrives. The next time you're standing at the edge of something and your brain tells you to wait a little longer, to prepare a little more, to feel a little more certain before you do it, in that moment, you will have something different to reach for. Not confidence, not certainty, just the quiet, steady knowledge that you are someone who acts anyway. Someone who builds confidence by moving, not by waiting for it to arrive. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to decide. So go, do the thing, make the call, send the message, start the project, show up to the thing that you have been putting off. Not when you feel ready, but now. Take one last breath. You can do this.